how to set this one to reinforced. Save the OAT. We use the FTP. Save. We can choose here. See. Okay. Here name can change anything. Okay. Please end. Choose 8. Choose yes. Okay, finished. After you make the TCP, the direction must reset is great. We can see this. We can here. With here. Here is Z. Here is Z. Here is Z. And here is X. Here is Y. We now use the here. Here is 2. Here is 2. We can change the X, Y, Z. The direction is good or not good. We can see the first. We choose the Z. Z, right? The X is not good, right? Y is good, not good. Z, here is Z. You can see here. Here is Z. Here is X. Here is Y. We must change the direction. Okay. Okay, just save with the TCP 0200 is here, right? We copy it to here. Then we open this. We use this one. Find the button to here. We input the trace. TRAN trace. Then press the end. You can see here. We can see the tools C3D. We just make the TCP, right? We copy this trace. Copy. Then create a new. We copy it to here and we paste it. We delete the only use this one. We delete to here. Delete. Okay. Here choose must end. Here must see the read. Okay. This one is X, is Y, is Z. Here is OA. Here is X, is Y, is Z, is OAT, right? We only change the OAT. Here we choose the 19. Here I choose the here I choose 90 degree. I choose 90 degree. And here change the 4, 5, Here, changes 180.0. Okay. Here is X, here is Y, here is Z, here is OAT. After set it, change it, we must save it. Save. We can do the change the program name is TCP. Yes, AS. Okay. We saved. Okay. We close the software. We can here with TCP, right? Then move the TCP to the FTP service. Okay. Okay. We now just make the TCP, the program, the TCP to the step. Okay. We now to load this program. Choose the extraction, save loader, and choose the FTP save model, and load it, and choose the file. Choose the TCP, right? And load it. Choose the yes. Okay. Back. Then we choose the backtick, choose the aux data setting, then 12. Also change the 19 and 14.5 and 1.0.80. Here is the change it. XY is the change it. The OAT must change it. The same, just set the change the PC. Okay. We press the end. Okay, complete. We now check the top, the direction is good or not good. Okay. Okay, we just change the OAT the direction. We now check the board the toe. Here is toe. Must choose toe. If you don't choose, use a joint base, and use toe. And check the toe, the direction moving is good or not good. We can see that here. Here is Z, then is X, then is Y. Okay, we check it. We move it. We use the Z, right? Z, and the X, right? And the Y, right? Right? Z, X, Y. Z, Z, X, Y, right? We just set it here. Set it here. Right? After do it, the robot, the TCP is finished.